Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to authorize Fivem to use Discord so everything works properly. Let's get started. To do this, go to your desktop and fully exit Fivem. If you're not seeing the Discord authorization pop up, this is usually caused by Discord running as an administrator. Right-click on your Discord shortcut and select Properties. Open the Shortcut tab, click Advanced, and make sure Run as Administrator is unchecked. Click OK. Next, go to the Compatibility tab and uncheck Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. After that, open Discord and make sure it's running in the background. Now launch Fivem. Once Fivem opens, minimize it and switch back to Discord. You should see the authorization pop-up appear. Simply click Authorize and you're all set. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.